My name is James Matthew. Today we are going to discuss about fundamental rights in Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights are included in the part 3 of Indian Constitution. We have 6 fundamental rights. The first one is right to equality. It is mentioned in the article 14 to 18 of Indian Constitution.
Article 14 gives us equality before law and equal protection of law. Article 15 gives us protection from discrimination. Article 16 gives us equality of opportunities. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and Article 18 abolishes titles.
The second fundamental right is right to freedom. It is mentioned in the article 19 to 22 of Indian Constitution.
Article 19 gives us 6 different freedoms such as freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peacefully and without arms, freedom to form associations, freedom to move freely through the territory of India, freedom to reside and settle in any part of India, freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Article 20 gives us right to life and right to personal liberty. Article 21 gives us preventive detention and Article 22 gives us rights of accused.
The third fundamental right is right against exploitation. It is mentioned in the article 23 and 24 of Indian Constitution.
Article 23 prohibits traffic in human beings and beggar. Buying and selling of human beings and using them as slaves was a grave form of exploitation in our country. It was prohibited by the Constitution. Beggar was a form of forced labor without any payment. Article 24 prohibits employment of children below the age of 14 in dangerous jobs in factories or mines. Thus, child labor was made illegal.
The fourth fundamental right is right to religious freedom. The Constitution says that India is a secular state, so it ensures freedom for all religion. This right is also considered as the hallmark of Indian democracy. It is mentioned in the article 25 to 28 of Indian Constitution.
It gives us rights to profess, follow and propagate any religion, right to establish and maintain institutions and to own and acquire movable and immovable properties, right to get the expenses for the promotion of any particular religion exempted from the payment of taxes, right to give religious instructions in certain educational institutions.
The fifth fundamental right is cultural and educational rights. The Constitution believes that diversity is the strength of our country. So, it gives rights to minorities to conserve their culture. It is mentioned in the Article 29 and 30 of Indian Constitution.
It gives the right of the minorities to conserve their language, scripts and culture, and the right to establish and administer educational institutions.
The last fundamental right is right to constitutional remedies. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar considers this right as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. If the fundamental right of a person is denied, he or she can approach the court for restoring it. It is mentioned in the Article 32 of Indian Constitution. For restoring these fundamental rights, courts can issue a special order known as writs.
In this chapter, we have to study about 5 writs. The first one is habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a Latin word which means let's have the body. It is a writ against the illegal detention of citizens. The second one is mandamus. Mandamus is a Latin word which means we command. This writ is issued by the court when it finds that a particular office holder is not doing legal duty and thereby is infringing on the right of an individual. The third one is prohibition. This writ is issued by a higher court to a lower court when it finds that the lower court is going beyond its jurisdictions while considering a case. The fourth one is certiorari. It is a Latin word which means be more fully informed. Under this writ, the court orders a lower court or another authority to transform a pending case before it is to a higher court or authority. The last one is quo warranto. It is also a Latin word which means by what authority. By this writ, the court examines the legality of a claim of a person to hold a public office. If the court finds that a person is holding an office but it is not eligible to hold that office, it issues the writ of quo warranto. This restricts the person from acting as an office holder.
And that's all about fundamental rights. Thanks for watching this video and cooperating with me. Have a great day. Thank you.